Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Gabby, and I'm back with another banger video. As you can see by the title, I am going to be washing my mini braids today. I've had these mini braids in for 3 weeks, and it is time to wash them. If you guys want to see how I accomplish these, just click the iCard that just popped up, and you can definitely go and watch how I did these mini braids. So I did blow them out, so I blow dried my hair and elongated it so that the mini braids could be a lot longer. Because whenever I do it, like if I were to braid my hair wet, my hair would be like shrunken all the way like up to my maybe like my mouth area. It'd be pretty short. So I did just want to go ahead and blow dry it, and then that's how I accomplished like the longer mini braids. And so because I don't want to blow dry my hair again, I thought that maybe, hey, I should just I should wash my scalp because my scalp is dirty. So I washed just my scalp, and as you can see, I put the elastic band low down my hair shaft, and so I can just put my fingers like through my scalp in order to wash it. Please forgive me. After I finished scrubbing my scalp really well, I then went ahead and rinsed it out. My husband did have to help me, and he like kind of pulled my pigtails toward each opposite direction, and then I would just use a cup and like rinse off my hair, making sure not to wet the ends of my hair, but only focusing on rinsing out the scalp, and it actually worked pretty well. I am now going to use a combination of products to create a spray for my hair. I got this idea from Megs. If you guys watch her on YouTube, she has been using this spray to promote hair growth, and so I just wanted to give it a try to just add moisture and also promote hair growth for myself. I do plan to use this spray every day. When I'm refreshing my hair, I'm going to focus it on my scalp as well as my ends. And after you all finish with the bottle, if you guys, do decide to make this spray as well, then just make sure you go ahead and refrigerate it because of the aloe vera juice that is in it. And it does say to refrigerate. You guys are definitely free to look up the benefits of these products, but I will put the pricing of each product in the description box as well. So I did go ahead and take each braid down one by one, and I sprayed it with my Rosewater Glycerine mixture in my spray bottle. As you can see, I brushed it out. I made sure I focused the spray on my ends, and then I kind of sealed it with some shea butter. I did go ahead and spray this on my roots as well, just making sure to stimulate growth. And I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. I didn't have to like spend all day taking down my braids and then like doing it all separate. I just took each braid out, brushed it out, made sure my scalp was clean, sprayed it as you saw there, and then went ahead and twisted it up. And I still have my length, as you can tell, so washing my hair in the braids with it kind of like in the pigtails really helped to keep some length in this style. Please forgive me. I really love the way my mini twist came out. I was able to keep my length. This hairstyle is super duper lightweight and my hair is full. I noticed with the mini braids, you know, I just didn't get that like full appearance, and my hair is pretty thick, so it's not thin. It's just the, like, I guess the way that the braids were really tight and compacted, and so it made my hair look thin maybe. I'm not sure, but I'm really loving this style. And you guys, please stay tuned for more videos like these. If you guys enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.